Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the device model and whether you have a recent backup. This saves time if restoration becomes necessary. Once done, charge the iPhone above 50% and use the original cable. This reduces connection errors. Make sure your Mac or PC has the latest iTunes or Finder with at least 2 GB free. You will need local space to download firmware. Now, put the phone into recovery or DFU mode, following your model-specific gesture to prepare for the next step. You should now enter DFU or recovery mode carefully because timing matters. This lets the system talk to Finder or iTunes without boot interference. First, try Update. This reinstalls iOS without erasing data. If Update fails, perform Restore, which wipes and reinstalls the OS. While doing this, download the official IPSWA for your exact model and verify its size and checksum so you don't use a mismatched file, because an incorrect firmware can worsen a boot loop. You finish by restoring the device and, crucially, set it up as new to confirm the boot loop is gone before migrating your backup. This isolates software from data corruption. If the loop returns, consider hardware faults. Battery, NAND, or board failures can produce identical symptoms, so avoid repeated restores without diagnosis. One key troubleshooting tip: test the process with a known good cable, alternate USB port, and a different computer. This rules out host-side problems that mimic persistent boot loops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.